Hello, myself Saurabh Noskor, Assistant Professor of Chemistry at Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology. In my previous lecture, I discussed about organic chemistry, lecture 1. Today I will discuss second part of organic chemistry. First, we will see mechanism of SN1. A full name of SN1 is substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. See, this is our substrate. This is 3 degree alkyl halide. Because why 3 degree? This carbon is connected to 1 carbon, 2 carbon and 3 carbon. That's why this is 3 degree alkyl and halide. In the first step of SN1, first there will be cleavage of this bond. So this electron will go to this one. So X will having minus charge. There will be formation of plus charge, and plus charge on carbon is called carbocation. Now, since nucleophile now can attack on either side of the carbocation, so SN1 reaction proceeds through partial racemization. See, when nucleophile attack from this side, we will get a product like this, and when nucleophile attack from this side, we will get a product like this, and they are mirror image of each other. So here nucleophile can attack on either side of the carbocation, from this side or this side. So SN1 reaction proceeds to partial racemization. This is racemization. Now we will see distinguish between SN1 and SN2. First point is mechanism. In SN1, the process is two-step process, and SN2 is one-step process. In the first step, there will be heterolytic cleavage of covalent bond to form a carbocation like this. This electron will go to this X, so there will be X minus and R plus. This is carbocation. And in the second step, there will be rapid reaction between this carbocation and nucleophile. So there will be a bond formation between R and NU. And in SN2, here nucleophile approaches from rear side of the leaving group. This is our leaving group, so it will attack from back side, and this X will be leaving. So there will be bond formation between nucleophile and R. So nucleophile single bond R will be there, and X minus will be there. So see, in SN1 two step, first step, second step, and SN2 is only one step process. And from kinetic point of view, we can say SN1 follows first order kinetics. So rate will depend on only this alkyl halide. And SN2 follows second order kinetics. So rate will depend on both this alkyl halide as well as on nucleophile. First two, that's why second order kinetics only one. That's why first order kinetics. Now we will see solvent effect. In case of SN1, if we increase polarity of solvent, the rate of SN1 will increase, and in case of SN2, if we increase polarity of solvent, rate will slightly decreases. Now stereochemistry. In case of SN2, nucleophile attack from backside, and X will leaves. So there will be formation of nucleophile single bond carbon, and this 3R group will go in the right hand side in this way. So there occur inversion of configuration, means nucleophile attack from backside, and this 3R group will go in the right hand side. In the substrate, they are present in the left hand side, but when this will attack, they will go in the right hand side, and this process is called inversion of configuration. And in SN1, you already know there will be racemization. This one, two type of product are possible. So stereochemistry of SN2 is inversion of configuration, and SN1 will be racemization. Now reactivity order. In case of SN1, there is formation of carbocation. So we know 3 degree carbocations are more stable. That's why rate of SN1 will be more in case of 3 degree, then 2 degree, then 1 degree. And rate of SN2 will be just opposite of SN1. So 1 degree will be first, then 2 degree, then 3 degree. Next question is, draw the energy profile diagram of SN1 and SN2 reaction. See, you already know SN1 is a two-step reaction and SN2 is a one-step reaction. So, when you are drawing energy profile diagram, in this direction potential energy will be there, and in this direction reaction coordinate will be there. This is your substrate, that is alkyl halide, and you are treating with nucleophile. So, in the first step there will be cleavage of this bond, so formation of R plus and X minus will be there. This is the first step. And in the second step, nucleophile will react with R plus, so R and nucleophile, so there will be bond between R and nucleophile. This is your second step. So this is your first step and this is your second step, and this state are called transition state. So SN1 is a two-step process, one step, two step, and you know SN2 is a one-step process. So in the here alkyl halide is present and nucleophile is present. Nucleophile will attack from backside, X will go out, so there will be bond formation of nucleophile and R in this way, and there will be X minus, and there will be only one transition state. So remember, in case of SN1 there are two steps, that's why two transition states are possible, and in case of SN2 only one step is possible, that's why one transition state is possible. Now the question is, explain the order of reactivity towards SN1 reaction. We have some example: allyl halide, 2 degree halide, 3 degree halide, 1 degree halide, benzyl halide, and phenyl chloride. So we have to say what will be the reactivity towards SN1 reaction. We all know in SN1 reaction involves formation of carbocation. So in which case the carbocation will be stable, in that case rate will be higher. So the reactivity towards SN1 reaction depends on the stability of carbocation. Now a carbocation can be stabilized if the positive charge on carbon can be dispersed or delocalized. Now see, this is your 3 degree carbocation, because carbon is connected to 1 carbon, 2 carbon and 3 carbon. This is our benzyl carbocation, because this is benzene ring. Benzene is connected to carbon and this carbon is bearing positive charge, so this is benzyl carbocation. This is 2 degree carbocation, because carbon is connected to 1 carbon, 2 carbon. This is allyl carbocation, because double bonded carbon is connected to a single bonded carbon and this carbon having positive charge. This is your allyl carbon and this is your benzyl carbon. And this is phenyl cations. This is phenyl ring having a plus charge on it, so phenyl cation. And this is a 1 degree carbon, because carbon is connected to 1 carbon here. Now these alkyl groups are electron donating group. Electron donating group means plus I effect source, so this will give electrons, so plus charge can be stabilized. This is giving electron, this is also giving electron, this is also giving electron, so plus charge will be more stabilized than this one, because here 2 alkyl group are giving electrons, then this one also, here only 1 alkyl group is giving electrons. Now see, in the case of this one and this one, here plus charge will be stabilized by resonance, because this double bond can go here, so plus charge can be stabilized. There will be a plus charge. Now this double bond will stabilize this plus charge. There will be a plus charge again here. Then this double bond will be stabilized. There will be plus charge here. So in this way, plus charge can be dispersed or delocalized along the whole ring. So there will be resonance stabilized, and this plus charge also stabilized in this way. This double bond can go here, so plus charge will come here. Again this double bond go here, plus charge will be here. So in case of these two complex, resonance will be the key factor for stabilization of carbocation. So we can say this 3 degree carbocation will be more stabilized than this one, then this one is more than this one, and this will go in this way. So SN1 reaction rate will be the order of this one. Now we have last question between this one and this one, which should react faster in SN1 solvolysis. again SN1, and SN1 means there will be formation of carbocation. In that case, our carbocation will be stabilized. In that case, reaction will be in the higher rate. So first we will see here carbocation formation will be here because Cl will go out, and here carbocation formation will be here because Cl will go out. So we will get this type of carbocation and this type of carbocation. Now see, this type of carbocation will be stabilized by this lone pair of electron. This bond will go there, so there will be formation of positive charge here like this. So this carbocation is stabilized through conjugation or resonance. So SN1 reaction rate will be higher in case of this one, means this one. In my next lecture I will continue organic chemistry. Thank you.